Hello, I'm Jeffrey, and welcome back to Habibi's Home Medical and Habibi's Durable Medical and our YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to talk about a piece of medical equipment that's pretty ubiquitous out there. You'll see them a lot. They're sold in Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. We also sell them at the retail level, but we also provide them to Arkansas Medicaid patients with a valid prescription. It's the shower chair. We prefer giving people the shower chair with the back. And sometimes we've been asked, why don't we do the shower chair that's got the arms on it? And to be quite frank with you, a lot of times when we've provided the ones with arms on it, the patients have just gone and taken them off. They say it's too big of a barrier of getting in and out of their tub to have to deal with the arms. And especially if somebody's unsteady, having to go around the arms to get set down in the chair, sometimes that can be a problem for them. So just in case you purchase one of these from us online, you're going to get it in these three portions: the backrest, the seat, and the height extending legs. To assemble this, it's really quite simple. Once again, we've got the little push pins to slide into place, just like so. They lock in place like that. Once that's done, we put on each of the legs. Now, I'm going to tell you a little tip on this. It's not just dependent upon the height of the particular patient as to where you may position these legs. You may also want to position them at different heights based upon the patient's mobility and their ability to stand after sitting. So your leg, obviously, if they're not having to bend it quite as far, it's far easier for the patient to push and get themselves up if it's at a higher level. Now, these particular chairs are indicated for up to 300-pound weight capacity. One thing that we do recommend, though, is if you're anywhere near 300 pounds, consider moving up just to the bariatric. It really doesn't cost that much more for a bariatric shower chair versus a regular shower chair. And the reason I say that is, even if you're at 295, 290, a lot of times when the patients would get in, they'd get in and just plop down. Well, the 300-pound weight capacity is great for somebody's static weight, if you weigh 300 pounds and you're just sitting there. However, when you plop down like that, that offers a lot more force to this chair, which can weaken it structurally. The difference between this and a higher capacity is the aluminum on the legs is a lot thicker on the bariatric heavy-duty one, and there's a cross brace that keeps the legs from spreading out. So, as you know, we climb in the tub and sit upon the chair, and then you can shower. Some people like facing the water, other people like facing against it. So, we appreciate you guys watching us today. Please subscribe to our channel for more informational content like this. And also, come see us at GoHHM. We hope you'll send in comments because we want to know what you're thinking, and we want to know what other items you would like to see us provide information on. Thank you again. Have a great day.